one of the Spain's most loved tapas. Bold garlic, juicy, bouncy shrimp. Simple but unforgettable. I'm using 8 tiger prawns. Twist off the heads and pour out the wing at the same time. Don't throw the heads away. That's where the flavor lives. Peel the bodies. Leave the last shell on. Butterfly the shrimp and devein anything you missed. Take a full head of garlic and slice it into thick, even pieces. Season with 2 grams of sea salt, 1 gram of black pepper. Let them rest for about 10 minutes. Keep the heat low. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pan. Gently cook the shrimp heads. They burn fast, so go slow. Use a pair of tongs to gently squeeze out that rich, flavorful oil. Once the heads turn bright red, turn off the heat and remove them. No wash in the pan. That shrimp oil is pure gold. Pour in enough olive oil to cover the bottom. Drop the garlic into the cold oil so it stays separate. Bring the heat back low and let it slowly infuse. Give the pan a little shake once in a while. When the edges of the garlic turn lightly golden, place the shrimp right on top and let them cook gently. As soon as one side turns red, flip. Right before they come out, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of paprika. Finish with chopped parsley. My favorite hidden move, slice up some baguette. And toast it in the leftover oil from the pan. Beautiful, bold, and insanely flavorful. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.